Buenos dias, everybody. Today I'm going to be testing out these new set of colors that I got in the Beetles dip powder. It's in the set Aquamarine, and the kit comes with a file, a brush, and a cuticle pusher. And it also comes with this application guide. And these are the 6 dip powder colors. And of course the kit comes with all the bottles that you need. This was just a random set that I did before this one, and I just want to show how long my nails have been getting ever since I've been using the dip powder, because it's just kind of been protecting the nails, so they have been able to grow really long. But I decided to cut them because they still scratch me, or I don't want to scratch the baby, so I try to keep them short. But I probably will try to do some dip powder with some tips in the future. Okay, so now that I prepped the nail by filing, buffing, and dehydrating it, I'm going to start with these colors. I do like to use more than one color because I always want to see how they come out, but I'm going to go ahead and add a gold that I have from a previous kit and see how that works. So I'm going to go ahead and push my cuticles back and then get started with the base coat. And you want to try as much as possible not to get any of the base coat on the cuticle. Then you dip it at a 45-degree angle, tap, 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 and then wait about 30 seconds and brush off the excess powder. Repeat the same step 2 more times for a total of 3 dips altogether. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same 3 steps, and I'm using this different color here. And I think the most question I get asked about the dip powder is how long it lasts. Mine lasts about 8 days. Usually when I do it, the first week it looks great, it doesn't chip at all, but I do deal with a lot of water. I wash dishes almost every day. I don't know, some kind of magical sink that I have that maybe only I see the dishes and the dishes are invisible to my husband. So about a week in total. Okay, so for this finger I'm going to use the confetti I have, but I'm going to do 1 coat of clear dip powder, then 1 coat of the glitter or confetti, and then 1 more coat of clear. It'll still be a total of 3 dips, but I learned when it's has a lot of confetti or big pieces like this, it's just best to use less dip. And then for the last nail, I'm going to do the dark purple and dip that one 3 times as well. Now we use the activator. We go ahead and put that on each nail. Then you can file. I have an e-file, but I'm too lazy to use it, so I'm just using a regular file, and the activator hardens up the dip. So once you file it and buff it, try to get it as smooth as possible. Then you go ahead and brush off all this powder. You go wash your hands, and then you apply the activator 1 more time. And for the last step, you go ahead and put on 2 coats of top coat. So 1 coat, and then you wait about 30 seconds or a minute or something, and then you put on the other coat, and then you can add rhinestones or whatever you like, and then that is it. I actually did my other hand, and I did use some rhinestones on this hand as well. I just want to let you know though, if you are going to use rhinestones, you can put 1 layer of top coat. Try to work as fast as possible because the top coat dries really quick, and then put the other layer of top coat on top of that. And this is the result. I came outside just so you could see it a little better, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you try it, go ahead and leave a comment. I think this is really easy. By no means, I am not a nail tech, but I am having fun doing this because it saves me time and money. And please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. And also don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your family and friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.